Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Aramex application on your mobile device. So in order to do that, first of all, open your Play Store or your App Store and then search for Aramex in the search box. Once you find this Aramex mobile application, tap on the install button to begin downloading your app on your device. Wait until the application installs, which will take a couple of minutes. If you're looking for a convenient way to manage your shipment with Aramex, you can easily download the application. Once it is done, tap on the open button and there you have successfully downloaded the Aramex app on your mobile device. Follow through the instructions and then create a new account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.